Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna be setting up a time on 2013 Chrysler Town Country, and this is gonna be the same procedure for Chrysler Town Countries from 2008 to 2016. So as you can see, this Chrysler Town Country has two clocks. One is analog clock, which is this one. It's located right on the climate control panel, and the other one is the time on your radio. So we can start with the radio time. So for that one you need to press the menu button right here, and then you want to select system setup and then time setup, and now you can adjust your time here, your hours and your minutes. Once this is all done, you can just save it. So press save, and that's it. And for the analog clock, if you check on the left corner here, you have a little button. So to move this clock, you want to just hold the button and select it to your desired time. When you select it, you can just let go of it, and that's all done. Thank you for watching.